Hello everyone and welcome back to the crypto channel number 1. And today we are gonna talking on such important topic like Bitcoin price caps, 4k dollars weekly gains, 5 things to watch in Bitcoin this week. Also we're gonna talking about Ultimate Pay to launch virtual crypto cards with Visa and MasterCard support, and especially how it can influence on the price of crypto assets and all of the crypto market. Also, I would like to, I think that worth mentioning, flash crash rattles gold markets as Bitcoin holds strong. So make sure you watch this video to the end and drop like button. Thank you so much. And without any delay, let's get started. So Bitcoin is delighting bulls as it heads into a new week after closing a weekly candle in which it gained another $4,000. Can it hold? After spending much of the previous 7 days hitting but then descending from local highs, sentiment was mixed going into the weekend, with a sense that there is everything to play for. Bulls are now confident but mindful of the fact that in Bitcoin anything can happen. Cointelegraph presents 5 factors that may influence Bitcoin price action in the coming days. So it basically says that Tuesday D-Day for infrastructure bill, gold hits snap 4-month lows, so Bitcoin price action beats out resistance, and here we have the chart of beating resistance actually. Also difficulty approaches multi-month record uptick, and also we have a chart of difficulty. So I think it's quite interesting because it's help us to better understand the nature of market. And let's go on. So Tuesday the day for infrastructure bill. The infrastructure bill, as it's informally known, continues to attract fierce debate and is expected to be put onto a vote on Tuesday. The first thing that crypto had to do here was make sure that Washington was aware there was a provision in the bill that needed clarification. That was successful. Sam Bankman-Fried, quote, CEO of exchange platform FTX. Washington is well aware now. So it's to come forward with reasonable good faith compromises and make it clear. That's the goal. But fundamentally, the biggest thing right now isn't for crypto to get its voice heard. So, speaking about gold hitting snap 4-month lows, after starting out at 1,663, gold fell sharply, and even so a week to 1,686 before recovering. Capitalization on losses from Friday and hitting its lowest since the end of March. While traditionally benefiting in line with gold's prices and vice versa, Bitcoin proponents were quick to poke fun at the market. So here we have basically joke of Carlos Gomez, hedge fund Carlos. So gold. Bitcoin is volatile and can't hold value. Gold today. And we can see that here is actually really huge volatile. So we are going to watch the contraction of gold's market cap in real time over the next decade. Investor and podcast host Anthony Pompliano. So, other noted the correlation between Bitcoin's outperformance and United States Senate progress, with the implication that the tide could yet turn. Bitcoin price action beats out resistance. So the weekend saw a push to highs above $45,400 on Bitstamp, marking a turning point before a comparatively modest correction to around $43,500. So this week Bitcoin fully confirmed a breakout from a multi-month range. It says Bitcoin reclaimed the 200-day EMA as support, a long-term gauge of investor sentiment. Bitcoin also retested the 21-week EMA as support, a time-tested bull market indicator. It's been a great week. So heavily interested to see whether the coming week will be another green week or a healthy correction happens for Bitcoin and Ethereum. So it's really interesting and we will be keep you updated. All you gotta do is hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, leave the comment in the comment section below. Which news are you interested in the most? And what you thinking about next week? Will be we watching the green market or the red market? So speaking about difficulty approaches multi-month record uptick, the party is certainly continuing among Bitcoin fundamentals this week, with both the hash rate and difficulty seeing rapid upward progress. So Monday's 155 edge reading is more than 20 above June lows and around 63 below all-time highs. Difficulty, which at the end of July saw its first positive readjustment in 2.5 months, is poised to outdo itself in 3 days' time and jump over 7%. So fundamentals do not predict short-term price, but given enough time price discovery reverts to fundamental. So speaking about market already flirting with extreme greed. Actually, yeah, we can see that we have now extreme greed. So this is an extraordinary 3-month high. The crypto fear and greed index just days ago in neutral territory repeatedly flipped to greed over the weekend. A correction came in line with price, and on Monday, fear and greed is back at 65, still denoted as greed. So I think it's kind of interesting. Let me know in the comment section below what can be waiting for. Will be it green market or red market, bullish or bearish? So let me know your opinion as a holders. Let's discuss it. And also hit that like subscribe button because you know it's interesting. So let's go on. Alchemy Pay to launch virtual crypto cards with Visa and MasterCard support. So crypto payment firm Alchemy Pay is planning to roll out a crypto-linked virtual card that is accepted on the Visa and MasterCard payments networks. So it says that the new cards can be linked to Google Pay and PayPal digital wallets and make payment across the MasterCard and Visa networks, as well as popular e-commerce platforms like Amazon and eBay. So the news comes shortly after Alchemy Pay last week partnered with Binance, the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange by trading volumes. As part of the integration with Alchemy Pay, Binance will unlock crypto payments across merchants of Alchemy Pay's partners in 18 countries, including e-commerce giant Shopify, software technology company Arcadia, mobile payment provider QFPay, and others. The new feature would be available through Binance payments application Binance Pay. As previously reported by Cointelegraph, both Visa and MasterCard have been aggressively moving into the cryptocurrency industry over the past year. So I think it's basically give us to opportunity for horizon, and we have price of Bitcoin about $65,000 on its all-time high previous. Thankfully, I think MasterCard and Visa actually moving into the cryptocurrency industry. So I think it's kinda interesting. Please let me know in the comment section below what are you thinking. Let's discuss it. Also hit the drop like subscribe button and click on the next video, which right now on your screen, because here you can have even more useful information. And